nasi story sika Alana uSykes. U-Alana la istory asixoxela sona esenzeke last week. Was posted 3 days ago. Xoxa nje istory sokuthi in 1 week wenza imali engaphezulu $900 US. Imali enkulu ke leyo. Ungenzi lutho, usebenza nje only 3 hours. And into enhle ngaso le story ukuthi not only wenze le mali but udayisa iprogram kuphela, no, uphinde wayenza imali ngeskill asithole ngaphakathi kwiprogram. Useyakwazi ukuthi asebenze nabanye abantu abakwiprogram ngokubanceda ngale skill asithole ngaphakathi kwiprogram. So le program le not only nje i-resale inama resale right, but uthola neskill ngaphakathi eziningi ezihlukahlukene.